Hey everyone, Hayden here, and welcome back to Icarus Uprising. Next up, we're gonna do the wish seed. So we're gonna go on ahead and do this. I'm gonna make it easy for me, so we're gonna just go on ahead and just make this a bit simple to do. But yeah.
I can't believe Hades was behind the entire underworld invasion.
All right.
What do you think Hades is really after?
Something big. He hasn't just overstepped his realm. He's kicked down the door.
Yeah.
What I do know is that underworld forces have assembled at a volcano nearby. That's where today's mission is taking us.
Just put it all together. The underworld army is here to steal magma.
Hades wants the wish seed.
Oh, of course.
From what I've heard, it grants any single wish.
Okay.
It's quite thought out.
I could really use one of those. My wish would be to fly by myself.
Yes, I'm well aware of that. Anyway,
Don't change the subject.
the underworld forces seem to be very interested in the wish seed.
Who knows what Hades would wish for if he got it?
All right, we're doing pretty good so far. Not too bad.
Let's hurry, Peg. Hades has entered the game. He's playing to win.
Plus, if anyone deserves a wish, it's me.
Yep. So we're doing pretty good so far.
Get ready to go into that cave.
I'm really liking this weapon still. I think I'm gonna use this weapon if for like the rest of the Let's Play, because this one is really good. It does a lot of damage and all that. It's very awesome. It sprays a bunch of spears out or bullets or whatever it is. It's really awesome. I'm just gonna keep on firing because who knows what's gonna happen. I'm kind of. This place is too. Whoa! Look at this, man. Oh, bro, that looks sick. Whoa, look out.
So if the Phoenix is protecting the wish seed,
Oh, bro. Look at the lava everywhere, man. That's insane. Okay, we gotta be a bit careful here.
it had to do with anything.
Ah! Okay. Take you down, and you. I see you back there, and you. We'll take you guys out. Take you out as well. So, now we have to go and fight Hades. We're gonna have to work our way to him and fight him. I think the boss fight, Hades, is a bit of a challenge, but since that I'm doing this on the Let's Play on easy, we shouldn't really have too many problems. Since that I'm playing this on easy.
Oh, good timing.
It will take us a little out of our way. I'll let you decide which way to go. You're right to go directly to the volcano, or left to go through the tunnel.
Whoa, which way should we go? We're going here.
Head into the tunnel.
I hope it's cooler in there.
Okay, I wanted to go to the right, but I guess I decided too late. I'm trying to focus here. I have been delaying this series for a while because I just had a bunch of other stuff that I had to do onto my main channel. Oh, we're not doing too good. Uh-oh, we're halfway dead. Hey, where are you? Okay, so whoa,
Stay calm, Peg.
ah.
You're not the one who's about to get steamed like a dumpling.
I said stay calm.
Yeah, Pit, calm down.
Phew. That's a relief.
Peg, behind you.
Oh boy.
Hang on.
Come on, get us out! Oh, God! Whoa! Look at that!
No need to get all hot under the collar, though, right?
You just couldn't resist, could you?
Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. Okay. Now. Here we go.
Get ready to land soon, Pit.
Yeah.
Boy, I hope my sandals don't melt.
I'll get you some new ones after this mission.
Alright, we just gotta keep shooting. Alright. Awesome. So I think I'm gonna do this level, and I think I'm gonna do this chapter, and I'm gonna do another one.
Huh. Take it easy, will ya?
The Underworld army has already reached the Phoenix, but they're facing severe resistance.
The Phoenix sounds pretty tough. So if we want the Wish Seed too,
That's right, you'll have to defeat the Phoenix.
I was afraid you'd say that.
Don't worry, he's the Phoenix. He'll come back to life.
It's not
Okay.
exactly what I'm worried about. What I mean to say is, I'm not scared. I'm not scared at all.
Saying it twice doesn't make it more convincing.
Yeah.
How about if I say it a third time? I'm not scared at all.
Okay, so we need to be a bit careful here. I'm not gonna... Ah! Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, poison cloud.
Well, hello there. Glad to see you made it.
Ladies,
Settle down there, Penny. Ladies don't like high-strung fellows. So the good guys come in the wish seat, too. Tell me, goddess, what do you wish for? Is it all kittens and rainbows?
Oh! Okay, that's a bomb.
Interesting.
I'll tell you, Don, if you tell me yours.
Thanks so much for asking. I just have one humble little wish. You see this poor child?
Okay.
Both of her parents are dead. Oh, there was an unfortunate accident. If you know what I mean.
you mean you murdered them?
It was a simple case of
Oh!
driving. Shouldn't have been doing my hair. Anyway, I was hoping to use the wish seat to bring back your parents. Can you think of anything more joyous than a family reunion?
Okay.
Then after that, they'd strike it rich. Like,
Okay.
go rich.
Sorry, guys.
We'd slap crowns
I'm
on
trying to,
them and make 'em royalty. And that's the
How do I get in?
true
Oh, yeah,
gist of
B.
my wish. Pretty noble and not at all easy, right? I can't think of anyone more
Wait.
deserving of the wish seed than yours truly.
Let me get this straight. You, the Lord of the Underworld, want to revive the dead. That's somewhat at odds with your mission statement, would you say?
Don't tell me the goddess of light hasn't heard of altruism before.
Okay, I think I need to go this way.
My
We'll...
intentions are pure.
Uh,
Lord of the Underworld, you have my word.
That just makes me more suspicious.
How cold of you. Your words pierce my
oh, okay. I get it. Alright. Okay, that's how you do that. How do I get it into this again? Trying to get back in. I'm gonna need this. Oh, yeah.
To launch farther in an exotank, tap the boost icon before you jump. The icon's on the bottom screen.
Oh. Okay, I didn't use that, but I don't think it really matters too much now. Whoa. Okay. Trying to be a bit careful. Okay. Now. There we go.
As a rule, Remo landings will blow up. You can wipe them all out at once by eliminating their leader first.
Okay. Got you. Now we're gonna go on this launch pad. Up here. Take you down. Oh. Yeah. Be careful about those guys. What's this? That's something. Oh.
Now that the statue is settled into the lava, I don't think it'll budge.
Well, I wouldn't either if I was soaking in a nice hot bath.
Well, look at that. It's an underworld guttler.
So what's its deal?
It gobbles up friends and foes alike, getting extremely strong in the process.
It eats its friends to get stronger?
Nice.
Talk about a monster.
And its strength grows with fight it takes. So if you see one, defeat it quickly.
All right. Okay, I'm gonna go and get this, a grenade. Oh, sweet. Ah! Uh-oh. How do I get out? I'm trying to get out. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm just gonna casually walk over here.
Palutena, pretty Palutena, can you hear me?
Of course I can hear you.
You never told me your wish, even after I bared my very soul to you.
Right, your wish? I don't buy it. In fact, it makes me doubt this entire story. Answer me this. Does the wish seed even have the power to grant wishes?
You're a sharp one. How'd you guess?
What? Are you serious? The wish seed is a fake?
It's so obvious to me now. I mean, the idea of a wish seed is pretty far-fetched. An item like that could make anyone more powerful than the gods.
Damn. I was totally gonna be like, I wish for
Oh.
a gazillion wishes. Wait, if the wish seed doesn't...
Ow.
Why is he
I got electrocuted.
To make us included believe that it's
Okay.
Can't get anything past old Professor Palutena now, can I? If there's
Okay.
one thing you can predict about humans, it's their greed. It's physically impossible for humans to resist the lure of a wish-granting
Okay.
item.
Let's go.
And since they
I'm ready.
chose the wish seed from the phoenix
Oh.
to be a fake, you need them to think that
Yes.
At which point, they'll drive themselves to extinction battling for it. And that's good for my business. An ingenious plan, if I do say so myself.
But the Phoenix himself could wipe out humanity if the underworld sets him loose.
you're right. We have no choice but to defeat it.
Ah, I got electrocuted again. Stop.
Get you nowhere, my dear. Actually, scratch that. It'll get you a hot date with the Phoenix.
Okay. Oh, poisoned. Uh-oh. Can I hear the... Okay, I'm gonna hear the health recovery. Awesome! Now we can go through that door. Oh.
The phoenix is up ahead.
Go die now.
Nope. Whoa. I probably could have just shot that. Okay, drink of gods. Nice. Okay. So. Now we made it to this area.
The wish seed looks real enough. The Phoenix!
Phoenix.
I'm going to let you go without a fight.
Alright, the Phoenix doesn't stand a chance. We got this.
You have no choice. Unless you want to be flambéed. The phoenix is cranky after fighting the underworld forces.
Oh.
What he's capable of. You need to stop him.
Oh, I will!
He's down.
Now's my chance!
Okay.
It was only a ball anyway.
There we go. Nice.
A nice cold drink waiting for you when you get back.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Alright. Nice.
Now everyone would know the wish seed was a fake!
No, no, no. That beacon shows the world that the Phoenix has been defeated, which will only make the humans believe that someone has taken the wish seed. People of the world, the wish seed has been liberated. This is your chance to fulfill your wildest dreams. All you have to do is conquer anyone in your way.
The people will not be so easily deceived.
I wish that were true, but I've received major bloodshed. This is all my fault.
Okay. Nice. Sweet. Alright, now we're gonna head to chapter 11. Nothing. Oh, I don't want that. Let's make it easy. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna make it easy. We got this. We can do it.
Officer Pitt reporting for duty.
Yep. Oh, this looks cool. Okay.
Humans have fallen for Hades' hoax. They're killing themselves over that fantasy.
It looks like entire nations are fighting each other.
Whoa.
Here to gather souls. Clearly, they expect many casualties. We can't stop a war this big right now. Focus on the underworld army.
Roger.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep on firing.
So things are going exactly as Hades planned.
He spread the rumor about the wish seed. And the humans are gullible enough to believe it.
If only we had a chance to tell them the wish seed was a fake. Now look at them. It's like they've lost their humanity.
Whoa, look at all them in a battle. This is cool. Okay. Oh, I'm glad I caught you.
What's wrong?
I have to pull you back now.
Huh? Whoa!
Whoa! This is a cool area. Oh, man, that is sick.
What was that?
I shot it, but I didn't say so myself. Good riddance, human scum. The world's better off without you. That was the goddess of nature, viridi. Pitt, go check things out.
I'm on it.
Alright. Try to sneak up on me, huh?
I hear you've been busy. And you're a viridi, ruler of the earth and all living things. I didn't know I had a fan club.
Why have you done this?
Humans are driven by selfish desire. They think only of themselves. They were killing each other.
Ah.
For what? A wish? A fake wish? They've strayed too far from their
Got you.
That's when I reset them
And you.
to help return Earth to its natural state.
Yeah, yeah. Yep.
Threats coming from you. You don't seem to have much of a problem slaughtering underworld forces.
But that's totally different.
Oh.
The earth and heavens from those who seek their destruction. Let's take a closer look, Pitt.
Yeah.
It's a pretty twisted version of nature.
Humans massacre Earth's creatures, decimate the trees.
Ah.
They're the
Aha! Took you down.
enemies of life itself.
Nice. Get you guys out of here. See you coming, you.
Because of all creatures, you are closest to the gods.
Nice, nice.
Affairs as you have no right.
Take you down, take you out. There. Think I got him. Oh, see another one. Nope, I did not take you out either. Okay, got you.
Exterminate them all before it's too late.
Feel like I should just keep firing because I have a feeling I'm gonna get jumped.
I have to admit she has a valid point. Wiping out humanity is not the answer.
I agree completely. You've given us no choice but to oppose you, Viridi. Oh, that's brave of you. With the forces of nature.
Okay. Nice. All right. We're doing pretty well so far. Ah, look out! Come on. There we go.
Surprised you've survived this long, Pit.
I'll take that as a compliment.
I think it's time you meet one of my finest warriors. Come on out, Cragalanch.
Hey! Okay, Viridi. Looks like she's on a rampage.
Are you okay, Pit? Now, Pit, you are the captain of Palatine Asvari, yes? I look forward to seeing how you fare against Cragalanch.
You should be more worried about how he fares against me.
Careful, Pit. I need you in good shape. Besides you, all I've got are the Centurions. You know, maybe I should open a boot camp to toughen them up.
Still wouldn't give them muscles like these.
Oh, over here. Okay.
Good. There are survivors.
They're a stubborn bunch hanging on like that. Set as many free as you can.
Stubborn?
Oh, I didn't mean it like that. Maybe what you meant to say was insignificant.
All right. Okay, we're gonna head over here now. Okay.
I can still make out buildings in this forest.
There must have been a town here. These Sethongs won't have wildlife or natural habitats. Their only purpose is the obliteration of humankind.
Ah.
Oh, is that all?
I suppose that accounts for all the life in here. In a few years, this place will be completely covered in green. Flowers will bloom, trees will grow, and the natural food chain will take over. It will be mankind's return,
Ah.
the beginning of my spring.
Okay. We did that. I'm gonna pick up this ice cream. Ugh. Is he gone? I think he is. Orb's staff. Hey, we're just gonna forget about you for now. Because I really need to get to Hades. Okay. All right. Okay. Now we need to jump on this. Hey, looks like we're working our way to the top.
I set up a grind rail.
Thank you kindly.
It's tangled in there, so I had to wind it around the trees. Calling you a snake would be an insult to snakes. But you're crafty, I'll give you that.
Okay.
Man, look at the face on this guy.
That's a Jitterfest.
Okay.
Melee attacks won't hurt him at all when he's red. And when he's green, shooting him won't work. What are you gonna do now?
I guess I'll just melee him when he's green beneath the ring.
You're a lucky angel, Pit.
Believe me, I know. These things drive smooth.
Plus, they provide protection and
Ah, nice.
design or what?
Sweet. I'm just gonna keep on firing, because why not? Okay, let's take you down.
This place is big.
There's another reason they're in the middle of that giant tree.
Why there?
That's viridi. I installed it for my army. No one else ever that.
Oh. Oh.
Can't believe you didn't think of that before.
Okay, we don't need that anymore. So we need to go here. Jump down this way.
What? A huge hot spring!
It's nature's bathtub.
Ah! Okay, now before I do anything, okay, a grenade.
There's a maze up ahead. Try not to get too lost.
Here you go!
Oh, that was sweet.
Viridi's army is called the Forces of Nature. Many of her troops are made of natural resources like wood, dirt, and rocks.
Eco-conscious down to her troops. Everyone's going green these days.
I'm not going green. I've always been. I use cloth shopping bags. I compost my food scraps. And I separate my recycling.
Hey!
15 times.
Now this is a goddess who sweats the details.
I could learn a thing or two from her.
What? There we go. Sweet. All right. I'll definitely take that meat. I'm gonna need it. Okay. Nice. Now what? Oh. Gotcha.
I think you're getting close to Cragalanch.
I'll just take care of these guys first.
There we go.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah. There we go. Nice. Okay.
Cragalanch, huh? What are you? A monster truck?
Pit, huh? What are you? A hole in the ground?
Huh. All right.
Guy doesn't talk much, does he?
He's a rock. Last I checked, they're more the strong silent type. Tell you what,
Ah.
I'll do the talking for him. Cragalanch crush!
Ah, boy.
Nice moves.
Yes, he's been practicing this routine all week. Attacking Cragalanch straight on won't do much damage. Swing around him to attack him from behind. To do this, keep your reticle fixed on him. Get up close and dash.
Oh, no.
I'll just check the how to play notes for details. Damn! It looks like there's a weak spot on his butt.
Yeah.
Oh, he was supposed to get that fixed.
Take it down.
For the tip.
I didn't say anything.
It's butt kicking time. Literally.
Oh, shut up.
Yep. Nice. Sweet, we got it. Awesome. He's been defeated. Oh, nice.
Quite a show there. But you should know that the next reset bomb is very nearly complete. Now, where do you think I should drop it this time?
You can't do that.
First Hades, now Viridi. We need to figure out a plan.
Yep, we do. I'll take that. Nice. Whoa. Alright, so that's gonna be it. So I do want to thank you all so much for watching this Let's Play of Kid Icarus Uprising. I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this game at least every other day, or basically a few times a week. So that's that way. I'm not holding off the series forever. So thank you all so much for watching. See y'all next time. Goodbye.